life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect to play through. Only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled. Caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll be doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now.
Go ahead and get over. Oh, what was that? That does not sound good, whatever the fuck it is. Oh, it fell.
Was that piston?
Oh, that's definitely a fucking piston. I could reach in. Tiny hands for the wheel. Oh, that's sharp. Can I have my finger back?
Ah, this poor motor.
Is there a hole there to slide it out of? Dude, god dang.
Oh, you almost got it. Oh, the rod was like fixed to come out.
Yeah, that's a piston.
Wow.
God damn.
It'd be cool if this would come out.
I don't know how the hell it got in that spot. Oh, there you go. No, it's just sliding. You have a magnet?
No. I mean, I do, but I don't.
Wait, I can get it.
Thanks.
Yeah.
What if I could, like, weld it back together or something?
God damn.
JP welded. Man, what happened, dude?
Another piece.
Jesus. Between now and the next video, what I'll be working on is the oil for this and pulling the motor out of the IS and swapping everything over, you know, as far as like the accessories, oil pan, camshaft, crank pulley, like just swapping all the stuff over to this one. And I bet this car will be probably running in a week or two, maybe sooner. I don't know, but stick around and find out. This is a really cool project, and this sucker's gonna be awesome when it's done. Give you guys a quick update on my motor. So I blew up the 5.7, the LS1, and the IS300. This one's gonna be a stock bottom end 5.3. It has a perfectly functional and working bottom end. This was a good running motor, just had a lot of leaks, things like that. I cleaned it up really good. Let's see, I've got the LS1 heads on there, so the compression's a little bit lower. Might be like, I don't know, maybe in the neighborhood of like 9-to-1 compression. Got the heads on there, torqued down. Got my sloppy stage 2 camshaft. Comp cam, hardened push rods, pack racing valve springs, the Holley high ram, 90mm throttle body, actually 92mm, not that it matters. Yeah, I've just been working on swapping everything over from the LS1 and the IS onto this 5.3. The last couple pieces of the puzzle are going to be the charge piping, you know, the oil feeds and the drains for the turbos. I pretty much have that already plumbed up. I got some like 4-inning line and kind of made my own lines, just teeing off of the back where the sending unit went. So I'm going to feed my turbos from here, and I'm actually going to drain them into the valve covers. I got 10AN bungs. Well, I still need to do the other valve cover, but it's good because the turbo sits like right here, which is going to be like almost a straight shot to the valve cover. So the last thing before I pretty much am ready to fire this thing up is I need to rob the oil pan off of the LS1, because that's the front sump pan. So that's pretty much gonna be the very last thing I got to do. I can swap everything over, but the motor's still in the car. I mean, I can't get the pan out unless I pull the motor. So that's gonna be the very last thing. Swap the pan and install this bad boy and see what she does. Super excited. It's gonna be like round 2. And if you didn't see my other video, I've got another 5.3 at home in my garage that I'm going to build up as a backup for this one. So this one's going to be stock bottom end. I'm going to start off at 10 psi on the wastegates, and then the 5.3 at home, I'll probably build that one up with like forge rods and pistons, you know, the correct ring gaps and stuff for boost, and yeah, that's the plan. And if you're a fellow GS owner, I get a lot of questions about the brakes. The rotors are from a 2015 Lexus RCF. It's a 15-inch rotor, and the caliper is from a Lexus LS 460, but it's got to be from an all-wheel drive. And the brackets, they're like these adapter type brackets. I think they're XAT Racing. If I find it, I'll link it in the description. But it's a 15-inch rotor. 19-inch rim is the minimum clearance. Typically with this bracket, it's a 14-inch ICF and a 2-wheel drive caliper, but I went with something really unique. I don't think anybody has this setup, honestly, with a 15-inch rotor, all-wheel drive LS 460 caliper. Pretty much the biggest brake combo I could come up with on this GS.
Nigga, I'm paying for the damn house. I don't need it.
Because I get so caught up in like working on it, I just forget to record, you know?
Yeah.
I just want to get this shit done.
Is it recorded now?
Yeah, it's going.
Oh, so you're gonna edit this out?
Oh yeah, it'll be edited.
Okay.
So I'm just like rigging up some clamps for now until the good ones come in. Yeah, people are gonna talk shit about this. Especially on YouTube.
Oh, that'd be fine.
I need these T-bolts. These are the good ones. I need to get a set of them. So, alright, now I need to hook up the 3-bar map sensor.
Car's a piece of shit.
They're both pieces of shit.
At least yours drives.
He's having oil pressure issues. Okay.
I got it.
Nigga, you gonna pass out. It's hot as fuck. You got a jacket?
There you go.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah, thanks.
Tiny hands for the win.
Alright. What the fuck?
Look at these two LS babies. God damn it. Don't put that in the video.
Alright, so right now I'm uploading the 3-bar map sensor file. Because I'm running a factory 3-bar from like a CTSV or ZR1 Vet. It's the same. It would help if I... In 2 minutes, we find out if this shit works. See how it says brickable? That means what I'm doing right now could potentially fuck up my ECU.
Wow.
Yeah. It's kind of scary.
So what's the part that's breakable? The 3-bar map sensor?
No, like the actual ECU itself, it's like if you overload it, like they call it bricking. It just fucks up and it's useless. You gotta get a new ECU.
Oh my god.
'Cause it's like I'm writing a new operating system. It's not meant for a 3-bar, so it's almost like a hack almost.
But that's not good.
No, I'll be fine. I hope. so far, so good.
You do that nervous laugh.
Yeah. Yeah, it's hot as fuck in here, right?
Yeah, it is. I'm sweating. Like I can literally feel the teardrops rolling down my back.
Into your crack.
Yeah. Like fucking nigga. Whoo.
So after this is done, it'll be the first time boosting it. Maybe try to do a burnout or something.
Oh fuck.
Let's see what happens. Or with my luck, it should have blow up.
Oh. No, don't say that. At that point, you're just like, fuck it. Just gonna do a regular, no boost.
I was actually thinking about putting like a 100 shot at it.
Oh my god, with the turbos?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Because it doesn't. I'm saving up for like this expensive ass air cooler. But until then, like I could put like a small shot of nitrous to cool off the air.
Yeah.
Because the intercooler one, it's like $1,500. And it goes in between the Holly high ram, like under the lid, so it'll stick up 4 inches higher.
Yeah.
But yeah, motherfucker's expensive.
That fucking Holly high ram is fucking ridiculous. That thing is huge.
Yep.
Oh, wow, came off.
My blow off valve popped off. Oh no. Where'd it go?
It's just chilling. It's still connected to the hose at least.
What the hell, man? There was a snap ring.
Apparently it didn't snap.
Yeah, look, this wasn't gonna good enough. Shit. Alright. Maybe we won't be doing burnouts today. Maybe tomorrow.
Here's the gasket that flew out.
Oh, a gasket flew out? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it takes a little O-ring.
You know we got some zip ties.
It was like something white flew out too.
Damn it. It sounded so good, too. Fuck. You don't have snap ring pliers, do you? Yeah. Hold up. Alright, if you like this video, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions, or if you want to see this twin turbo LS go into my Lexus IS300, be sure to follow. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Later.